joke's on me, 'cause I got no money, but I got regrets. Yes, I do. I hitched my wagon to the wrong horse. Instead of having should've changed course, but I've been somebody could've made it good. Oh yes, I wish I could. Oh Lord, I pray I could. I got regrets, regrets. I
bless you, Edinburgh. If you know that song, you've been a long-term prisoner of mine. I've been playing that song for nearly 25 years.
I saw you with Brian Adams.
What was I doing with Brian Adams? Oh, I see what you mean, yes. Oh, yes, of course. Where was that? Was that at Glasgow?
It was Manchester Arena.
Oh my, crikey. Wow, thank you so much for coming back. Is this the first time you've come back since then?
Been to many since then.
Oh, and you still got, oh look, see? Bless you, someone I haven't offended yet. Thank you so much. I'm so genuinely so touched that, because I was a support act, so it kind of amazes me that you saw the support act. Lots of people don't bother, but sometimes you see really interesting things as a support act, and you come back, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you to anybody else who's stumbled on me. Tonight you might have thought you were coming to see something completely different, and you're here now, so what can you do? Anyway, I feel a bit like this second half's a little bit indulgent, but you know, it is my show, so I can do what I want. But what I did was I gave you an oldie, and now I'm going to play a very new song. It's from my latest album, which is called A Song for Emily Salvi. And when I was making this record, I sort of felt like there were lots of signs for different things. And this next song, actually, it was a dream. I just woke up in the middle of the night and I had this really vivid image of a young girl, about 19, 20, somewhere in the Midwest. And in my dream, I'd seen her come out of a car, open her front door. It was like I was sort of hovering above her. And she went down a corridor and straight into this bedroom that wasn't hers. Somehow I knew it wasn't her bedroom. And she opened a cupboard and she climbed into the cupboard and she just smelt the clothes. And then in my dream, I realised that she had lost her mum. And this was her mum's room. And this is how she was coping with that loss. And I woke up and I knew the girl was called Madison, and there must be a kid called Madison somewhere in America going through that. Maybe they're here, I don't know. But I realised that it came at the end of a year where I lost a lot of people that were really dear to me, one after another. It was like TripAdvisor funerals by the end of that year. But what I was learning, the way I processed grief, was that it got better eventually. At the beginning, you don't think that, but then you start to remember those people and you feel less like bursting into tears, and then enough time goes past and you can manage a rhyme smile. And that was the meaning behind the song. So if you've gone through that, if you're going through that, feel free to take this song for yourself. It can belong to you now. It's called Madison.